Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Danrie from Crafty Giving, and in today's video I want to share how to do something pretty special, a mess-free pet keepsake. This will definitely speak to all the pet parents out there. You will understand when I say you sit down to enjoy a cup of tea or a coffee, maybe some biscuits, a snack, and you look over and you see your beautiful fur babies just looking up at you, being their amazing little selves, and you think, oh my gosh, I just want to keep you forever. But unfortunately, we all know we can't. So I thought to myself, well, maybe I can keep a part of them. Now, some of you may have seen these all over the internet, but this is a mess-free little stamping pad thing. I don't know the technical name for it, but basically it's a little cardboard frame with a film of plastic that has ink on one side and completely clean on the other side that you would then use to place on top of a piece of paper to capture an image like a paw print or a fingerprint or a boop the snoot imprint. But for me, I just wanted to capture my fur baby's little paw prints. Now, a little hack that I'm sure these companies don't want you to know is you can refill your own little stamping kit with an ink pad. So I did go ahead and use my little stamping kit to reapply some ink to have a go of little Cookie's paw print. Now, this is the cutest thing ever. Now, I do recommend getting a couple of these kits purely because it does take some practice to get your pet to sit still and to get a nice imprint of their little patty paws. My big Arlo was way too big for the table, so I did have to go down on the ground floor for him, but luckily he's a very mellow dog and this went really easy. Once you've taken all the patty paw prints that you desire, be sure to thank your pet for being a good boy or a girl. A little head scratch never hurt anyone. And it's as simple as adding your little patty paw prints into your desired frame. I'm lucky I had a 4-picture frame here, and I did totally twist my partner's arm to give me his thumbprint next to mine just to capture our whole family. This would make the cutest gift for a fur parent or for your partner if you wanted to surprise them if they have their own pet. You can totally add the name of your pet under each print if you like. I thought plain and simple is the way to go today. As always, if you liked the video, give it a big old thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. Be sure to check out my other videos. I make videos on handmade gifts and other fun DIY projects. Remember to be crafty with your giving, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!